Now we are going to see the comments and how we need to use it. Want to talk about commenting and also give you some helpful shortcuts to use while you are coding. Now, as far as the code here, it is a simple exact stuff that we did in the last video. We are not actually going to write any code in this video aside from comments, but I'm going to show we are not you how to kind of navigate around the use some keyboard shortcuts. Now comments are used for documenting your code and explaining things in a more human readable way. Multiple of time Oftentimes multiple developers work on the same code base and comments are used to explain what is a certain piece of code does. It is especially important when you are working on a project with a team of developers, and comments are also used to disable code. So if you have code that don't want to delete but you also don't want to run, then you would comment the block of the code out. You can even use commenting as like a to-do list for yourself or for other developers while using the code in the to understand. So very helpful, and commenting in JavaScript is very simple. So I'm just going to go up here and show we can just add a double forward slashes single line. This is a single line code. It is only comment first line but does not comment here in the second line. Now in this VS Code, in most text editors, if you just hit command or control and then forward slash command control forward slash, it will comment the code of a single line. Or else if you select these two and click on control and forward slash, and with the same you can remove the comment also with the same control forward slash. Select, and there is another way to add multiple line comments, and that is with the forward slash and hash star comment, and up to where you want to add a comment, add multiple lines. T line. These are the to comment two ways to comment this JavaScript code. Now, as far as keyboard shortcuts, I already showed you that if you hold the shift, you can go up, down, up and down, and you can add shift, and you can navigate to end, home, end, and all the way to up and down you can select and click comment here. Or shift command and select. I want to highlight this error where we can see the second highlighted text which is relevant to this error. It is visually. Hit command or control D. It will select the next text which is highlighted with the same name. And if after selecting, if you click on control D, and if you want to edit at the same time you can change the same. If you want to change only the highlight this, control shift L, same. You can change or rename the text which you would like to do. Use one or two, while you are coding. Even in this course, use one or two and learn them so that it kind of becoming second nature, and then choose another one to start to use that. And before you know it, you will just do it without even thinking. All right, and in then a couple others I wanted to show you. If you do O, command shift O, you can search a file name, control P, and you can see index, control shift F. You can search globally within this folder, and if you want to change this alert and paste it here, and you can replace it alert, which replaces everywhere. And control set. And in VS Code, if you want to toggle the sidebar, you can do control B to close, or if you want to open it, click on control B. I want to close it because I want to see. If you want to toggle the terminal, control curly braces, it will open, and we can run the code. These are the commands which are more common shortcuts that at least I use, so hopeful that it will help for you. And in the next video we are going to start another topic, variables and constants. Thank you.